Okay, to save a web page from a web Chrome browser into a PC, all right? These are the steps you need to take. Then take your cursor maybe to the title or any part of the web page that is not an image, okay? So here, let me place my cursor here on the title, all right? So then I'll right click there and you will see some options. One of the options here is save as. Click on that save as. Will open the downloads folder of your PC automatically, which is where it will be saved. If you don't want it to be saved in downloads folder, click on another folder of your file explorer where you want it to be saved. So here, let's click on documents. Okay. So on clicking on documents, you will now see this name. All right. So this is the title, the file name. Okay. If you want to change it, you can click on that and change it to any name of your choice. All right. But I'm okay with this. And lastly, click on save. So this file is now saved in your PC. Just hold on. It's downloading. It will be saved. Sorry. So hold on until this is completed. Okay. So this goes round. Okay, now this web page is saved. If I click here, you see the name here. So now, as it's saved, how do you access it the next time? Maybe without internet. Okay. So let me just close this web page. Okay. For you to access it the next time, you click on your file explorer. Okay. Click on downloads, which was where we saved the file. Okay, the web page file. Okay, so look at it here. This is it. Okay, so when you double click on it, it will open. Okay, so we double click on it and we are presented with some options. Let's go with Google Chrome, okay, which was the default browser we used then. So I'll click on this and I will select just once option. You will see this button here. So this file has now opened. Okay, it's still opening. Sometimes if we are reading it offline, sometimes the images will not show, but the text will show fully, just as you can see here, text are showing. Okay, because you are accessing it offline. But if you are connected to the internet, okay, and you're accessing it, the image will still load because in that case it's connected to Google's server. All right, so everything is happening live. Okay, so that is it. You can read through what you want to read through anytime you want to visit that page again. Okay, and it makes it easy for you. So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology and finance. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Thank you and see you some other time.